Thank you. For us in the Ministry of Health and Medical Services, as we look forward to the upcoming budget announcement, we have done our budget submissions through the various sectors within the ministry in their submissions. And like for every year, we always ask for more. But we are mindful of the government's priority. And as such, in our submissions, we have asked that the priorities in SEG 1 and 2 be on remunerations, allowances, and overtime, that the amount that we put forward for in our submission be considered. Other priority areas include that aligns with our new strategic plan and also with the World Bank report and our health system, our Health Evaluation Summit have highlighted that priority should be in primary health care to ensure that our hospital services and the infrastructures are brought up to par and well maintained to ensure that areas such as training, procurement of medicines and equipment. So those are some of the general things that the ministry has considered to ensure that it is acknowledged and in our budget submission. So again, as we look forward to Friday's submission, Friday's budget announcement, we're hoping that whatever we have submitted and the priority areas, we are mindful priority of the government. That is something we look forward to. So our stakeholders are our workforce, and they are divided into cost centers, and each cost centers have brought in their submissions. And as we had expected, their submissions always ask for more. But we've been given a baseline by Ministry of Finance to ensure that we reprioritize things to ensure that service delivery continues, people are served, and we continue to do our core role in that is service delivery through health to the general public. So yes, that's one of the priority areas, and as I said, it's strengthening primary health care and public health, and in ensuring that the services, not only by providing services, improving services in the outer islands, in the maritime areas, but ensuring that the facility itself is not only workable, but it's also livable. To ensure that priorities on wash improvement capabilities in those facilities, on ensuring that some form of renewable energy is available if they are not on the grid, ensuring connectivity in those areas to allow better communications. So those are some of the things that the ministry is prioritizing to ensure that it is available in these facilities, and we feel that if we improve on this, the staffs are more than willing to go out and serve in those hard to reach places. Again, together with that, it's about ensuring that yes, some forms of services that should be made available there are there, and we will do that through our role within our Fiji biomedical services, to ensuring that they are also have what they need so that they can deliver the service. Again, we are to ensure that through primary health care, prioritizing primary health care, ensuring universal health coverage in those maritime and hard to reach places.